grab your yoga mat and let's start some yoga.
Hello guys, my name is Alena and I am from Ukraine. Join me for a morning yoga routine that will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. In this video, I'd guide you through a series of splits yoga poses that will stretch your muscles and improve your flexibility. This home workout is perfect for anyone looking to start the day off with peaceful and invigorating yoga practice. So grab your yoga mat, press play and let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content. I love home workouts and sports. These things are best for the mind, body and soul. And I want to be a part of the awesome YouTube family to give viewers great workout tips. Your support will help me achieve my channel's goals of creating more video content that will motivate people to exercise and live a healthy lifestyle, improve production quality, and develop a variety of useful and educational YouTube content for you. I want to show my everyday working out routine. I love training at home and do it every day. This is a useful weekend walk, spending time well-balanced sequence. If the room is cool or a person knows that he quickly freezes in a stationary position, you can take cover in advance with blanket. This work is not over. Everything is just beginning. About how the Shavasana technique affects the body and what needs to be done to achieve the effect we will describe below in the instructions for practice. Hi there, my name is Alena. I'm from Ukraine. Welcome to my yoga channel.